there, my name is Noel and welcome back to this crafty vlog. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to block your knit or crochet items. I know there are so many ways of blocking, but I like using the water method where you put your knit or crochet items into water, they soak. After some time, you drain the excess water, then let it to air out or dry. You can pin it on the board afterwards, or you can just lay it on a flat surface. So that's what I'm going to show you today. But we also have another method, and that's the steaming method. So it's easy to use the steaming method for your crochet items compared to your knit items. It doesn't mean you cannot steam your knit projects, because it also looks just as good. So let's stick to the plan. We are going to use the water method. I'm not going to use the tub or the bathroom or the sink because of the lighting. So I have my water here. I also have my project here, and it's a skirt, a toddler size skirt. So this project is already knit, completed. The bind off is already done. You can see it here, but then the ends are yet to be woven in. Also, the edge is curling upwards, and that's because I'm yet to block it. So let's do this as you learn how to block your knit items. So as you can see, I have my soapy water here. I've already added in the detergent, and this is not always necessary. You can skip the soapy water. You can just use the plain water, but I have my soapy water here. So I'll just soak in the item, let it stay in there for about 10 to 20 minutes. So after the 20 minutes, we are going to drain the excess water from the item. Then we are going to lay it flat on a surface to allow it to dry. So let's do this. So soaking the skirt and leaving it in the water for some time just allows it to absorb enough water to relax the stitches and make them even.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not.
So guys, I brought this one outside so that it can dry on the sun. We are going to lay it flat. Stretch it as much as you want. If you want it to be long, you stretch it longer. If you want it to be wide, you widen it this way. So this is it, guys. This is the blocking process. From here, our item is going to block slowly. It may take hours, it may take days, depending. But about the process, this is where it stops. From here, it's just a matter of drying. So thank you so much for watching to this end.